get to this level. Level 10. Feeling alive, you look good, but how you feeling inside? Well, you look how you feeling inside, it's a reflection. Go for a run, get some sun, just a suggestion. Far too blessed to be stressing. I've been broke, but not broken. Being transparent, but not open. I go and get it, I'm not hoping. Play so many games, I'm out of tokens. I'm out of time, I'm out of energy and peace. When it's good, everybody want a piece. When it's great, everybody want a slice. Flow water, everybody needs some ice. I know myself, I know my worth, I know my
Yeah, bless up yours, the guy right here, Makai the pharmacist, creating farm. See what it is. Just got done harvesting these sweet peppers. These are sweet Italian peppers. Common is what they call them in particular. But sweet peppers, man, they're good for you, yo. These particular ones, you know, got a lot of vitamin C, vitamin A, B6. It's got antioxidants in it. It's good for you, yo. Not to mention the flavor. You can eat them raw just like that. They're really sweet, mad flavor. Or you can chop them up, put them on your salad. You can grill them. You can stuff them. Look up the recipes for them. I'm going to show y'all how to grow them in the workshop that I'm doing at the end of the month at ACAP. Y'all come on out. You know what it is. Stay with me. Bless.